Okay.
And my
Hold on.
tummy.
Lily.
Huh?
Where's this at?
In my tummy?
It's in your tummy? Good job. Okay. What's this?
Huh?
Say fundus.
Fungus.
Okay. What is this? Say body of stomach.
Body limit.
Look. What's this? What is this right here?
Huh?
What's that? Say serosa. See this? Say longitudinal. Longitudinal muscle layer. Okay. You see this one? Say circular muscle layer. Good job. And then the next one? Say oblique muscle layer. Okay, look at this one. Say sub mucosa. Okay. And what's this one? You see this one right here? Lily? Say mucosa. And what goes in here?
In my tummy.
In your tummy? Is that all your food?
I ate it.
You ate it? It's called rugae.
Okay.
Rugae. Good job. Give me a high five. Learn in the tummy.